Yeah, g'day, it's Chriso. It's Sunday morning and we're doing what we love to do on a Sunday morning, and that's a bit of rest and relaxation. Doing bathroom after bathroom. You need a bit of this, you know, warm sunshine, beautiful scenery, beautiful water. It's 22 degrees the water, but just walking along the beach and you have a chance to chill out and appreciate the things around you. Like, look at the sky, it's so beautiful. Alright people, thanks for watching my channel. I'm here to teach everyone to tile, and you know, DIYers, start on your splashback, give it a go. You'll be so proud of yourself. We'll see you soon. Bye.